So what am I doing today? I'm going to show you how I make my green lattes. Guys, and welcome. My name is JP Rose, Singing Vegan Mum. Now if you've never seen me before, I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, and I'm a mum. There's a clue in the name, of course. So before I carry on, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so that anytime I come you will know all about it. And don't forget to comment, let me know what you like about my videos and what you'd like to see me do. So what am I doing today? Here's my drink. It's going to be a very simple, quick recipe today. I'm going to show you how I make my green lattes. Now, why am I making a green latte? Well, guys, most mornings I have a green smoothie, but of late it's been so busy, not been able to make my smoothie. Now, to go in on this whole smoothie thing, I used to have a mixed smoothie, so I'd have fruits and vegetables in it, like kale and spinach, strawberries and banana and apple, whatever's in my fruit bowl. But then I learned and discovered that it wasn't good to mix your vegetables and your fruits, because if you have a vegetable and fruit smoothie, what happens is the body takes the thing that's going to give it energy first, which is of course the fruit, your strawberries, your bananas and your apples. And while your body is processing that, the vegetables is there rotting and putrefying, rotting and putrefying. So I learned that it's best to have a green smoothie, which is all greens, and a fruit smoothie separately. So that I thought was going to be a bit scary, so I tried to avoid that for a little bit. I wasn't doing that. I was just doing my old usual smoothies, and then one day I just jumped in and I just made a green smoothie, and in the green smoothie I had kale, spinach, cucumber, and always my smoothies, whatever smoothie I have, it always has sea moss in it. While I'm saying the word sea moss, I am just letting you know all the nutrients and what's so good about sea moss. And then in my smoothies I always have spirulina, chlorella and barley grass. Now I always have that in my green smoothie as well. However, as I was saying, some mornings so busy rushing out the door, get the kids ready, drop them to wherever, then go off to work or wherever it is I'm going, no time for a smoothie, which is really boring. I like my smoothies. It's a little thing now, you know what I mean? So I discovered a latte version. So it's not got all the greens and the cabbage and the kale and the spinach, but at least it's an opportunity to still have spirulina, chlorella and barley grass in something. And what I do is I literally make it into a latte. Whatever your plant milk is it coconut milk, is it oat milk, is it soya milk, whatever your milk is, I literally add chlorella, spirulina, wheatgrass, mix it up, and that is my latte. I carry it with me or I drink it straight away. I don't normally put anything sweet in my drinks, especially first thing in the morning, because if I do that for the rest of the day, I'm just craving sweet things or craving food in excess and things I wouldn't normally want. And I discovered it was because of the sugar. The sugar just wants me to eat not just more sugar but more food, or just to eat more. And Christmas is coming, guys, and you know we all want to look nice in our Christmas dresses, so I don't put anything in. But if you want to, or if I really am wanting a little bit more taste in these lattes, I add a little bit of agave to it, and literally I whisk it up so it looks all latte-y. I get some kind of green, smooth, chlorophyll, nutrient dense drink before I have anything else, which will be probably about lunchtime or something. It is the morning of the birthday boy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, the boy is 13 and here are his presents. Yeah. So we are go-karting and the boys are having a great time. My son is 13 and it was a bit harrowing at first. We didn't have gloves and all sorts of things, but now it is absolutely fine. And later we're going to go to Eat As Much As You Like for the 13th birthday. So it looks like the boys have already got a really good job. They're on it. They know what they're doing. It's cold, it's rainy, but this is what you do for the birthday children. You do these things. Yeah. Open it again, Charlie. Okay. Oh, what Charlie. It looks hot. You know why? Oh my God. And it shows that you're gold. Really guys, you should try it, and especially if you're busy and on the run and you want to get that healthy hit. And it's really important now because of all these viruses flying around that, you know, you do something to help the immune system, as well as all the things that are being kind of promoted for you to try to fight your immune system. You know, we also have it in our food, our herbs and our vegetables. So guys, it's a quick one this week, yeah, but before I go, I just want to say go over to Instagram because I did a live performance. I sang for an organisation called She Said So. I took over She Said So last Friday and I sang a few songs and it was really, really brilliant. So go over to Insta She Said So and you'll see me singing. In fact, I was wearing this little outfit. In fact, this is the whole get up. And while you're there, subscribe to my Insta, my Facebook, my Twitter as well, because often what's on YouTube doesn't end up being on my other social media. So guys, I hope you have a lovely week. Look, let me have a lovely sip. Really delicious, ooh ah, for healthy vegan options. I'm your girl. Have a blessed week.